By default, 3ds Max viewports are laid out in a traditional 4-viewport configuration. We have a single perspective view and 3 orthographic panels. And they're all the same size. But we can change the size. We can also lay out the viewports with different configurations. If you hover your mouse over one of the borders between viewports, you'll see an arrow, and you can click and drag and resize the viewports any way you need to. If you click in the center, you can also resize. Right-click in the center and choose Reset Layout, and it'll be restored back to all the viewports being the same size. If you wanted a different layout, then you can do that from the Viewport Layout tabs panel over here on the left. For example, you may want to have 1 large viewport and 3 small ones. One way to do that is from this little arrow here. Create a new Viewport Layout tab. Click that, and you see a list of so-called standard viewport layouts. And here's one that's 3 small ones. Maybe I want to have the big one over on the right instead of the left. So I'll click on this one. And now the perspective view is large and the orthographic views are small. And additionally, I have a new viewport layout button over here. And I can switch between layouts really quickly. Just click. Very helpful. We can change what's displayed in each one of these panels. So up here, you'll see there's a label for each one of them. You can click on that label and then choose something else. Maybe you want to see the bottom instead of the top. And now we're looking at the bottom view there. All right, I'll switch it back to the top. And I'll switch this back to a 4-viewport layout. That's more traditional. And once you've set that up, you may not need the viewport layout tabs anymore here. And we can hide that. Right-click on one of the textured bars on any panel. Right-click on that. And we can disable viewport layout tabs. And that's how to configure panels using viewport layout tabs.